Nvidia's GTC conference is kicking off right now, and all traders are wanting to see where the stock is going. Let's get into Nvidia's analysis right now. Nvidia obviously made an outstanding move higher. Beautiful bullish chart that we have here. Bull flag, bull flag, bull flag. As you can see, Nvidia starts to fuse right here at the highs around 867 after reaching all the way up to about over 900. What this created is a bit of a pennant formation, or you can call it a descending triangle formation. And normally descending triangles do break out, which, despite the red candle, we did start to have today. So if you're tracking this level, we're holding all the bull flags here. We're getting some nice volume support to the upside here. We should retest 953.61. That is to the upside. Now, we're all waiting for this conference to give some sort of confirmation. And again, I think there's a lot of bearish theories out there where they want this confirmation to be the sell the news type thing, and Nvidia starts to break down. I do not see that happening. I don't see this conference as a catalyst whatsoever. However, if there is some sort of selling after the event or during the event or sometime this week, here is the level you want to watch. If Nvidia breaks 859, that is essentially the apex of this descending triangle. A breakdown pattern or a failed breakout pattern can sometimes be even stronger than the original move, because you're failing, you're breaking down. So it's almost like that falling knife situation. You can capture that in a simple number and trade it again below this 858.22 area. Once we start breaking that, if we start breaking that, I should say, you do have a lack of supply in our volume profile. We call this a thin zone, and we can get a lot of selling to the tune of hitting the 21-day moving average at 827.83 and our first and final volume node after this thin zone right around 800. It's a whole number, so whole numbers can attract buyers and sellers, and we can reach that area once we break down this potentially possible failed technical pattern breakdown. Now, if you're in the third camp and you're waiting for a pullback to get into Nvidia, you have a little FOMO, this thing did go parabolic, I have good news for you. I have a great buying opportunity for you. So right around that breakdown, like let's say we do get the breakdown, the FOMOs are going to be out. As long as we hold that 800 level, give a few candles, hold that level, consolidate, this bullish pattern dated since December of last year is absolutely valid to hit 1,000 with this pullback. That is not going to be a sell-off. It's not breaking any pattern. The only pattern that would be broken is this ascending triangle. But this entire trend line is valid, and you can buy right around that 800. I usually wait a couple days of that confirmation to hold 800, and this thing will absolutely take off. And watch it really take off once you buy here and it starts breaking that initial breakdown that we had with this triangle. Nvidia is going to 1,000. Just watch. If you guys want to trade alongside with me, we have a 7-day free trial in our service, our trading service, tradetoclose.com. And if you want any commentary, feel free to join our newsletter. It is free. And if you like more of a reading type trader, that newsletter will be great for you with that commentary and analysis. All right, guys, if you think Nvidia is going higher after the conference or in general, let me know in the comments. And if you're looking for that breakdown, let us know as well.